Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn English conversation for beginners. This lesson is about right greetings. Self-introduction. Speak slowly with me. Repeat after me. Let's start. Now, listen to the conversation. A. Hello. B. Hi. A. How are you? B. I am fine, thank you. And you? A. I am good. What is your name? B. My name is Sarah. What is your name? A. My name is John. B. Nice to meet you. A. Nice to meet you too. Good. Now repeat after me. Hello. Pause 3 seconds. Hi. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am good. What is your name? My name is Sarah. What is your name? My name is John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Very good. Great job today. Now you can greet someone in English. Practice this conversation every day. If you like this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in lesson 2.